Hi, this is Mayor John Hamilton. It's Monday, July 19th, 2021. Just a quick update to the public on matters COVID related. It's really pretty striking that we continue to have to wrestle with COVID. Indeed, in the state, there's some very significant backsliding. If you look at the average daily case numbers, they've actually, in the state of Indiana, doubled in the last 2+ weeks, from something around 200, a little under, to more than 400 cases per day in the state. That's a big change in the absolutely wrong direction. Similarly, if you look at the case incidence, how many positive cases from the tests that are done, that number has tripled in that same period, from about 2% to 6%. These are really concerning numbers. The death rates and the hospitalization rates are not going up as fast yet, but those are kind of lagging indicators. So it's really concerning. I'm sure you see the same news I do about this concern in the country. It's true in our state, locally as well. So it's very frustrating because there is an answer to this. Vaccination rates are how we beat this disease. Virtually no one is going to the hospital or dying if you've been vaccinated. It is a pandemic that is resurging among unvaccinated people. And please, thank you to all you who are vaccinated. That's what's protecting us as much as we are being protected now. And please, for those who are not vaccinated, talk to friends who've been vaccinated. Talk to your healthcare advisors, your doctors, your nurses, whomever you go to for healthcare, and ask them about it. Talk to relatives who've been vaccinated, or talk to people who got sick lately, because this is what can help us avoid a resurgence. Here we are in July of 2021, 15, 16 months after this thing started. We now have the way to stop the pandemic. Absolutely, it's vaccines. So that's what it's going to take, and I'm sorry that it's become more fraught with other issues, but it's a public health issue. We solve it with public health, with these very safe, very effective vaccines. We've all had it in my family. We're very pleased to have gotten it and helping us. One example in city employment today, I believe we'll be releasing the mask rules that are going to keep emphasizing how important it is for people to remain masked at work when engaging with the public, unless you're vaccinated. If you're fully vaccinated, and it's going to be up to supervisors, but if you're fully vaccinated, we can relax those rules because you're protected and you're very unlikely to transmit it. So just a public report that we're not out of the woods. There's a lot of good things happening. We want schools to open, IU, of course, coming back, but it's going to take more vaccinations. They've really slowed down. If we can't speed them up, we're really worried that we'll have the kind of resurgence that some of the worst parts of the country have seen. We're already starting to see those numbers rocket back up 2 and 3 times what they were 2 or 3 weeks ago, and that's very concerning. So thanks. Keep getting vaccinated, keep protecting each other with masking where appropriate, and we'll give you another update as soon as we can.